Maptuner Dealer Service application is an add-on for MyMaptuner App and the Maptuner Nano Series. It delivers powerful service and diagnostic features that streamline the workflow for workshops and enthusiasts working on a wide range of vehicles. Using the Maptuner Nano, you connect to the vehicle wirelessly and control all functions directly from your smartphone, even without an internet connection. This video provides a quick walkthrough of the dealer service application on a Can-Am ATV. Available features may vary depending on vehicle type and model. Start by locating the vehicle's diagnostic port and plugging in the Maptuner Nano. Then open the MyMaptuner app on your smartphone. Once you've purchased and activated dealer service, the icon will appear on the home screen of MyMaptuner app. One of the key advantages of dealer service application is that there's no need to add or sync each vehicle individually. Simply plug in the Maptuner Nano, open the app, and instantly access all available functions. With Fault Codes Manager, you can read and clear stored ECU fault codes and view additional details such as vehicle status and when the fault occurred. View, add, or remove keys from the vehicle with Desk Keys Manager. Assign new performance or work keys, change the type of an existing key, or disable DES entirely if required. With Reset Throttle, you can quickly reset and calibrate the throttle position sensor, a common service procedure that now takes just seconds. Just performed a service and need to reset the counter? No problem. After completing a service, use Reset Service to reset the service counter and view information such as the last service date and mileage since service. Use activations to test individual components by sending a control signal. For example, activating an ignition coil will produce an audible sound, confirming proper operation. You can also test injectors, pump, lights, fans, relays, and other components depending on vehicle type and model. Access essential vehicle data from vehicle information, including the VIN, software versions, owner information, delivery date, and total engine hours. Going back to the dealer service home screen, open monitoring to turn your smartphone into a powerful, real-time engine monitoring tool with access to a wide range of parameters such as boost, oil pressure, speed, lambda, voltage, and RPM. View each parameter numerically or as a graph or gauge if you want to. Prefer a larger display? MyMaptuner app and dealer service work seamlessly on tablets, allowing you to build a custom monitoring dashboard with the parameters, gauges, and graphs you want. This makes monitoring the perfect companion for both field testing and in-shop diagnostics. You can easily switch between different units of boost, speed, and temperature from the settings menu. These are the dealer service features currently available for this specific Can-Am vehicle. Additional features are available for other vehicles, such as calibrating IBR systems on supported watercraft, exhaust valve and wastegate on Polaris snowmobiles, rave valves on Ski-Doo, and running of oil pump on Polaris. And we're continuously developing and improving dealer service application and the Maptuner Nano with new features and vehicle support.